Welcome to Roblox controls for PC and laptop. Quick 60-second guide. Move, press W to go forward, S to go back, A left, D right. Jump, press spacebar to jump. Hold for longer airtime. Crouch, press left control to crouch and sneak. Sprint, hold left shift while moving to sprint. Release to stop. Camera, move the mouse to look around. Scroll wheel zooms in and out. Interact, press E or left click to interact with objects and doors. Tools, press number keys 1 through 9 to switch tools quickly. Mouse buttons, left click is primary, right click is secondary actions. UI, press escape to open the menu. Press M to open the map and mini games. Custom mines, check game settings to remap keys if you prefer different controls. That's it. Practice these controls, play and explore. Have fun on Roblox.